Everyone, it's Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing today? Happy Friday. What we have here is a 1940s NuGrape soda cardboard ad that we've nicely framed. It's got, she kind of looks like a European with a beret look on. She's holding in a bottle. It's the NuGrape. Again, we did a nice job on the framing with actual purple background. So if you are into NuGrape soda in general, or just good vintage advertising,
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent, in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.